Hello guys, today we're going to talk about the pomodoro technique. Question number 1. What is a pomodoro technique? 1. It is a time management watch. For example, 2. It can increase work effectiveness. 3. We can concentrate on work. Here are 3 sample answers. You may have another answer for this. Sorry, my computer is slow. Next question. How to use pomodoro technique? I have 5 ways to use pomodoro technique. There are some has 6 and 7, right? Now I will tell you the way how to use pomodoro technique. 1 is you can write or make a to-do list and a timer. You'll choose a time for you to do, and you'll make a list full of work so you can finish the time set. Number 2, set your timer for 25 minutes or some other minutes you can choose, and focus on a single task until the timer rings. Like this task, we have to do this task first, then we'll focus on that task and do it in 25 minutes. And when the clock rings, we'll do something. We will know in the 3rd way. 3. When your season ends, mark off 1 pomodoro and record what you completed. That means when you've done one of these works in your list, you can use a marker or something, mark down and record. I have done this work, I have done that work. Now let's move on. 4. Then enjoy a 5 minutes break. You can do a lot in a 5 minute break, Make some coffee and drink some coffee. Wash your face. Drink some cold water. Eat some snacks. And watch a short movie. There's a lot of things that you can enjoy. 5. Number 5. After 4 pomodoros, take a longer 15 or 30 minutes break. It's kind of like after you do 4 pomodoros, you can take a longer break. You can take a longer 15 or 30 minute break doing something that you like. Dancing Zumba, go shopping, I don't know. Now the next question I'm going to ask you is when to use pomodoro technique. Okay, first, you can use pomodoro technique when you read books. second. You can use it when you work or when you cook. It's really amazing that you can use pomodoros for such a lot of things. Do you know why you need to use the pomodoros with these three times to use it? Let me tell you. Just like what happened to me. I will tell you how I use pomodoro. I'm going to tell you that this long thing I have wrote. With pomodoro, things get more easy for me. When I read a book, I set 10 minutes for me to read and my reading speed improve day by day. When I cook, I set the timer for 1 hour. After several times cooking, time reduced to 45 or 40 minutes. You can use pomodoro for a lot of things. Now, let me see how many questions have we learned today. The first question is, what is pomodoro technique? Next, how to use the pomodoro technique. Whoops. When to use pomodoro technique. The last question for you guys is your way to use pomodoro if you have one. Pomodoro is very interesting. But do you know who created pomodoro? It's some kind of name I don't remember. In Italian or something. You guys can find out yourself on your internet or the website. You can find a lot in there. And you can find other apps that people tell you how to use pomodoro. I appreciate you for listening to my presentation. I hope you know how to use pomodoro, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.